Welcome to you from my channel. Today I am here to share my honest opinion with Mail Our Lists 25. Let's dive in it. Finding low-cost advertising online that actually works is like looking for a needle in a haystack. You can spend a lot of money, but without seeing very much back in return, it's time to tip the scales back in your favor with Mail Our Lists. Hi. We have spent the past years building up a portfolio of 43 websites in the MA Money Online niche, although our members are also interested in other niches too, such as weight loss, health and fitness, and personal development. Our 43 websites have a total of 40,574 members at the time of making this video, and all of them are double opted in now. For the first time ever, we're giving you the chance to send an email to each and every one of them. To do that previously, you would have had to join each of these 43 sites individually, and then spend either cash or credits on sending out an email from each site. It would have cost you a great deal of either time or money or both. Now you can mail to all 43 sites at once because we will send out your solo ad for you. Just provide us with the details and we'll do the rest. We can even write the email copy for you if you're struggling or don't have English as your first language. Oh, and did I forget to say sending your email out isn't even going to cost you $10. That's right. Terry and myself are determined to keep this affordable for everyone, so the price for sending out these solo ads will always be kept at under $10. So, no fake scarcity here, and no, the price is not going up if you come back later or after the launch has ended. When you want to send another solo out, all you have to do is purchase another one, all at the same low price. We can't promise you results. Nobody can. But what we can promise you is that your email will be sent to 40,574 members across 43 different websites, all of whom are likely to be interested in whatever offers you are promoting. Now, me and Terry would call that a no-brainer. So, pick up a copy of Manilow Lists today. We will be limiting the number of ads that get sent out each day to ensure you get the best possible response. So the quicker you pick up your copy, the faster you can get your ads sent out and start to enjoy the results. Traffic doesn't come any better than this for our super low price point. Pick up a copy today and we'll see you on the inside.